Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Wise account to receive money. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To set up your Wise account, start by going to wise.com. Once there, locate the register button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and do so, then click Next. Next, you need to choose the type of account you want. Wise offers two options, a personal account and a business account. A personal account allows you to send, spend, and receive money globally. A business account offers the same features, but is tailored for doing business or freelance work internationally. Decide which type of account best suits your needs. For personal use and receiving money, choose a personal account. If you plan to use Wise for business transactions, opt for the business account. In this guide, I'll select the personal account. After selecting your account type, you'll need to select your country. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your country from the list. For this example, I'll select Pakistan. However, if your country is not pre-selected, simply find and select it manually. Once your country is selected, click Next. You'll be asked to enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Type in your phone number and click Send Verification Code. When you receive the code on your phone, enter it in the provided field and click Submit. Now it's time to create a password. Make sure your password meets Wise's requirements. It must contain a letter, a number, and be at least 9 characters long. Create your password, then click Continue. Your Wise account will start the registration process, and shortly, your account will be ready for use. With your Wise account now active, you can start sending and receiving money internationally. So that's basically how to set up Wise account to receive money. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.